I've got a delicious cookie for you today that is great for Easter, but it's also great all year long. If you love carrot cake, you're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. We're talking about carrot cake cookies today with cream cheese frosting. These are fantastic, soft and pillowy. I know you're going to love them. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. We're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together, and then you're going to set that aside while we do our butter and sugar mixture. So a half of a cup of unsalted butter that's been softened, along with 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. And cream that with a mixer until it's nice and fluffy, and then add in 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that and then add your dry ingredients back in and mix it until a nice cookie dough forms. And then you're going to add a cup of shredded carrots and a half of a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. And stir that together, scoop those cookie dough balls, place them on a parchment lined sheet, lightly press them because they won't super flatten otherwise. And you're going to bake these at 350 for about 13 to 16 minutes until they're no longer glossy. And then we're going to make our cream cheese frosting, which starts with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese, both that have been softened. You're going to mix in 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt, and mix that together. Now I love topping these with cream cheese frosting. You can even do a little sprinkle of walnuts just for some decoration. These are soft and pillowy, and that frosting is such a great complement to the carrot cake. Like I said, these are great for Easter, of course, because it's like the carrot cake holiday. But if you love carrot cake, they're great all year long. And I even have a book recipe that is very similar to this one, but it's stuffed with cheesecake. You're gonna wanna check that one out. Leave me a comment and let me know what other carrot cake recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.